Allahu Akbar.
This is Kiyunga. Kiyunga is a small village, only a few miles from the border of Somalia, on the eastern coast of Kenya. Each day is an exercise in survival. In the dry season, many are forced to cook, drink, and bathe with contaminated brackish water.
You see children inside of these villages, and they've got these scars on their stomachs or their knees because of so much salt within these wounds, and it just breaks your heart. They basically poison their family with this water every single day.
Is that fresh water?
These salt water from the wells are not treated.
Kusababisha kuharisha, kutapika, kutabidi mpaka upate madawa.
We were seeing children dying of kidney failure, disastrous impact on people here.
How do we do something different, and how do we provide a clean water source for them?
Through clean energy innovation, Give Power provides food, water, and electricity to people who need it most.
It started with putting solar on 2,500 schools in 17 countries. Then we realized very quickly that we could light up the whole village. The next evolution is, what are the most important end uses for human beings that need electricity? And we believe the number one is water. So recently we just did an installation of our first microgrid water desalination system.
The solar itself is not the end, it's the means to an end.
We took a 20-foot container and we integrated a 75,000 liter per day system that was designed specifically to work with a solar panel array.
When we turned on the tap, for obvious reason, everyone was pretty excited. I think having gone through so many years of water being such a scarce commodity, I'm not sure they entirely believe it.
Working with Give Power was the best time of my life. Desalination in Kenya, it's a beautiful initiative.
The Give Power solar water farm produces enough clean drinking water for 35,000 people every single day.
It's clean water. Fresh water, good water. Oh.
Give Power now has the opportunity to scale this solution to help people in dry coastal regions around the world that desperately need clean water. So we're already underway in Colombia with our next system, and now we're zeroing in on Haiti.
How do you bring people out of poverty, but do it in a way that does not destroy the environment? We are focused on how we can help scale the solutions that are out there that can help address water shortages. And as Give Power expands its reach, that is helping improve financial lives all over the world, which is at the core of what Bank of America's purpose is all about.
Kwa hivyo asanteni sana, mradi ni uko sawa na tutafurahia watu wa Kiyunga.
Thank you everybody.